Hi guys, this is AB. Today we have this expression to evaluate this Olympiad mathematics, and let's see how we can go about it. A plus b is equals to 1, a squared plus b squared is equals to 4. Then a to the a cube plus b cube is going to be equals to 1. So let's start from here. We know that if we expand a plus b or squared, we can able to get this one and get it from there. A squared plus 2ab. We know our a plus b has been given as 1, so 1 squared is equals to, here is 4 plus 2ab, and then we can able to solve for our ab. We get 1, we bring the 4 over, and we get 2ab. We get -3 2ab. We divide both sides by 2, we get -3 on 2 is equals to ab. Now let's go ahead and expand a cube plus b, which will give us a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's the expansion form of a cube plus b. We can rearrange it a little bit. A plus b, a squared plus b squared minus ab. We know our a plus b, which is 1, and is multiplying to a squared plus b squared has been given as 4, and we're able to find our ab here. So minus -3 on 2. That will give us 1 times any number is going to be the same number, so the 1 goes away. Negative times negative become positive. Every number is over 1, so we are adding the fraction, and we got on 2, and we cross multiply, we got 8, cross multiply, we got 3, and that gives us 11 on 2. If we want, we can leave our answer as mixed fraction. That is going to be 5 whole number 1/2. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.